Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your referral link on Akiflow. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who want to invite their friends or family into Akiflow and get some referral bonus for doing so. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, so make sure to stick around till the end in order to learn how to do this. So let's go and get started. So first what we're going to do is go into our Akiflow account. Now on the upper right hand side, you're going to click your profile image, and then from here, what you're going to do is click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, I was trying to find my invite link on the left hand side, but where it actually is on the bottom right here on this purple button that says invite. So what you're going to do is click on invite, and then you're going to be redirected to a web browser. So unfortunately, the referral program isn't available for team plan members like me, but it should be available for you. So this right here is the best and easiest way that I found to actually find your referral link for Akiflow. Right now, they're offering a promotion of give $25 and get $25 in credits. So it's a really good promotional bonus. But if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.